station you can't quite get off your skin. My name is Viv Pokoroba, and we are going to be celebrating our 50s flashback here on WART. We're going to have people calling in with their reminiscences and their favorites of the 1950s. The phone number, for those of you that want to call in, is 1-800-SRQ-WART or 1-800-277-403-91 624-8671, extension 4, 18, 2.
Could you repeat that?
No. We have a caller on line 61. Go ahead, you're on the air.
Oh, man, I've waited so long I have to use the bathroom, so let's make this fast.
Okay. Caller, what's your name?
My name is Anna Perovi.
Hi, Anna. What's your memories of the 50s here on 50s
Well, you know, I
Flashback?
do miss the 50s. Where are the good old 50s? And by the way, where is a good old number 2 pencil?
Oh, number 2 pencils, wow.
Everybody's using computers and cell phones. I can't find a pencil.
Did you use a number 2 pencil at school?
That's right.
Did you have to hide under your desk because of the atomic tests?
Exactly. Yes, exactly. And speaking of number 2, I have to make this quick. Goodbye.
Oh, okay. Well, thank you very much for calling. Is now...
Oh, I have a flashback from the 50s. Like before I had stretch marks from having you.
Oh, Mom. Mom.
Oh, yeah, I had a cute little body and a cute little
Oh,
little
don't say that.
skirt.
Don't say that to your son.
All the men
that's
just
just
loved your mother.
All the men love my mother. That's an image I'm not going to be able to erase, Mom.
Yeah. So how come you haven't called?
Well, I've been busy preparing for our flashback of the 50s, Mom. It's a big undertaking here at the station.
Are you sitting up straight? I can tell you're not. Wrong. Okay? And if it's questionable, I'm going to ask people to vote. Okay, so here we go. Animals that start with B.
P.
Baboon. B. B as in Bravo, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Bat.
Baboon.
Bonsai eating sloth.
No. Put your hand up.
Raise your hand.
Everyone agree?
How can I miss you if you won't go away? Go away, far, far away from me. How can I breathe if you won't leave? That was good. I like it. Madeline, you're wearing my shirt again.
It's the only one that fits me. Mom won't buy me clothes.
Oh, boo-hoo. Boo-hoo-hoo.
You're her favorite child.
I know.
Hamlet.
I'm joined in the booth today by the former gold medal winner of the laundry line hanging Olympics, Princess Margaret of England. Princess, welcome.
Oh, hello. I am so pleased to be here. And all these lovely people.
Now, Princess, you competed in the 1956 Olympics in Melbourne, is that right?
I did, and I swept the whole competition, and I walked away with the biggest prize of all.
Yes, you've got a number of records that are still standing up. Now, I understand the sport's changed a little bit since you competed, is that right?
It has. The laundry gets done a lot faster these days.
It's the machine washing, isn't it?
It
Yeah.
absolutely is.
But you still got to do the line hanging, and
You
you got to do
still
it.
have to do line hanging, but the clothes are drier, they're easier to put on, and fabrics are much better these days.
That's great to hear. Well, thank you, Princess Margaret, for joining us today.
Okay, keep rowing. Keep rowing. We're almost there. I'm a little tired. Well, when you're quilting with your toes and rowing with your arms, it's tiring. But we got to quit that Pilates class, so that's good.
But you know what? There's all these loose papers floating all over the water. Where are my paperweights when I need them?
Oh my gosh, are they under your knitting bag? Here, let's come on. We can nail those.
All right, good deal. Okay. So, what do you think of my quilt so far?
You know, let me just put these oars in.
You are so talented.